The next topic is concept of gene. So what is gene? Gene is a basic unit of inheritance that express specific character. In 1857, Gregor Johann Mendel conducted hybridization experiments with the pea plants. He called them as factors. In 1909, Danish botanist Johansen proposed that each portion of a chromosome that controls a phenotype is called a gene. So each portion of the chromosome is called gene. In Greek, it means to give birth to. Gene means to give birth to. 1941, George W. Beadle and Edward L. Tatum discovered that genes control the production of enzymes. They proposed one gene, one enzyme hypothesis. In 1944, Oswald T. Avery announced that DNA is a substance responsible for heredity. So in 1944, Oswald announced that DNA is a substance responsible for heredity. In 1950s, Watson and Crick discovered chemical structure of DNA. So Watson and Crick, what they discover? Chemical structure of DNA. The gene is made up of a specific sequence of DNA nucleotides. How it is made up of? It is made up of specific sequence of DNA nucleotides. Zimmer-Benzer proposed modern concept of gene while working on E. coli and T4 bacteriophage. According to him, gene is cistron, recon, muton, replicon. So according to him, we'll see what is each one. According to the scientist Zimmer-Benzer, he says that gene is cistron, recon, muton, replicon. Cistron means it is a structural gene. It is functional unit of DNA molecule that codes for a specific protein. That is the meaning of cistron. It is a structural gene. It is functional unit of DNA molecule that codes for a specific protein. Recon means it is a unit of DNA that undergoes recombination. You know what is meant by recombination? It is a unit of DNA that undergoes recombination. Mutant means it is a unit of DNA that capable to undergo mutation. Mutation means change. It is a unit of DNA that capable to undergo mutation. Replicon, it means it is a unit of DNA that undergoes replication. It is a unit of DNA that undergoes replication. So these are the meanings. The next one is genetic code. The three specific nucleotide sequence that codes for a specific amino acid present in DNA is called genetic code. So what is genetic code? Three specific nucleotide sequence that codes for specific amino acid present in DNA is called genetic code. Then what is codon? The three specific nucleotide sequence that codes for a specific amino acid present in mRNA. That amino acid is present in mRNA, messenger RNA, is called codon. Then what is anticodon? The three specific nucleotide sequence that codes for specific amino acid present in anticodon arm of tRNA is called anticodon. So I think you understood now what is the difference between these three: genetic code, codon, anticodon. Genetic code means three specific nucleotide sequence that codes for specific amino acid present in DNA. Second one, three specific nucleotide sequence that codes for specific amino acid present in mRNA. Anticodon means three specific nucleotide sequence that codes for specific amino acid present in anticodon arm of tRNA. Anticodons are complementary to codons. Anticodon, they are complementary to codons. Then what are the general features of genetic code, or what are the characteristic salient features, general features of genetic code? First point is the genetic code is triplet. Each codon is made up of three specific nucleotides. One point is they are triplet. It means each codon is made up of three specific nucleotides. Second point is genetic code is universal. Each codon codes for specific amino acid in all living organism. Each codon codes for specific amino acid in all living organism. So that is the reason it is universal. Next, genetic codons are no overlapping. Adjacent codon never shares 3 nucleotides. Adjacent codon never shares their nucleotides. Then genetic code is commaless. There is no gap between neighboring codons. There is a commaless. It means there is no gap between neighboring codon. Genetic codon is degenerative in nature. It means more than one codon codes for single amino acid. So that is the reason it's known as it is degenerative in nature. More than one codon codes for a single amino acid. Example, GUA, GUG, GUC, GUU codes for valine. It is one of the, valine means it is one of the amino acid. So more than one codon codes for a single amino acid. Valine is one example. So here you can see how the genetic code, you can see the triplet nature. First letter, second letter, third letter. Here, first letter U, second letter U. If you are taking the first box, you can see the here. U, U, U. Again in the third letter, you can see here 4 letters U, C, A, G. So how they will multiply? U, U, U. First one. Second U, U, C. Third one U, U, A. Fourth one U, U, G. So these are the 3 letters and table for genetic code. The next is initiator codon. AUG is an initiator codon that initiates the protein synthesis. Before we learned AUG, it is an initiator codon starting. It starts. Initiator codon that initiates the protein synthesis. It starts the protein synthesis. It codes for amino acid methionine. It codes for amino acid methionine. Second one is terminator codon. Terminate means stop. Among 64 codons, 3 codon UAG, UGA, UAA does not codes for any amino acids. These are called terminator codons or nonsense codon. Okay, so among 64 codon, 3 codon like UAG, UGA, UAA does not codes for any amino acids. These are called terminator codon or nonsense codon. The next genetic code is unambiguous. Each codon codes for specific amino acid and only one amino acid. The codon UUU codes for the amino acid phenylalanine only. Clear? So each codon codes for specific amino acid and only one amino acid. Example is given. The codon UUU codes for the amino acid phenylalanine. Same like genetic code is unidirectional. Codon reads only in 5 to 3 direction. How we will read? Codon reads only in 5 to 3 direction. Vobel base. In each codon, third nitrogenous base is less specific. Example, GUA, GUC, GUG, GUU codes for valine. That is one of the amino acids. So that is Vobel base. In each codon, third nitrogenous base is less specific. Example, they given GUA, GUC, GUG, GUU codes for valine.